If you've ever found yourself staring at a blank screen, wondering what the heck you're supposed to write on your resume, then this is the video for you, because I'm going to share with you a super simple strategy that will completely transform your resume bullet points. Hi, I'm Laura, a career relaunch coach and certified professional resume writer, and I'm here to take your job search from stressful to successful. Now, I'm sure you've heard the advice that you need to create impactful bullet point statements. They should show, not just tell about your experience. But how in the heck do you do that? Well, you're going to learn how to do this using the C.A.R method. So what I want you to do is to grab a piece of paper, not your resume, but just a blank piece of paper. And I want you to write 3 letters, C.A.R. Next to C, I want you to write the word challenge. Next to the word A, I'd like you to write the word action. And by R, write the word result. Now, I don't want you to tackle all of your work experience here, but I just want you to think of one specific situation at your last job where you had an accomplishment that you were very proud of. Now, once you have that situation in your mind, I want you to go through and write out what the challenge was, what the action is that you took, and what the result was. And here is an example. Now, in this example, I am using a sales manager. Now, their challenge was when they came into the role, they inherited a sales team that was not doing well at all. Their morale was down. The department was defeated. They were second to last out of all of the teams statewide. And the challenge was trying to figure out what the heck was going on and how to fix it. So now moving on to the action, this is what the action was. They conducted a SWOT analysis and a lot of things came to light. They realized that the team didn't feel as though their voices were heard, the sales incentives needed updating, and just the environment overall was not conducive for success. So they decided to take that feedback and make improvements in those areas. The result? Well, it completely transformed the team. They exceeded corporate target growth goals, increased membership sales, and were named the highest performing team in that region. So this is what I want you to do. I do want you to take some time and truly think about the challenge that you faced, the action that you took, and the result that happened. Do not worry about this being formal. This is just for you to get everything out on that page so you can then go back and extract the information you need to create an impactful bullet point. This is giving you that framework. So now that you have done that, it's time to take all this information and create a standout bullet point. And this is what throws most people, but not you, because I'm going to share with you another framework which I find very helpful. And it's called the Google XYZ Formula. And it is accomplished X as measured by Y by doing Z. Now, you don't have to use this exact wording, but I do want you to keep it in your mind as you create your bullet point, making sure that you're hitting on the accomplishments, how it was measured, how you did so. So let's go back to this example of a sales manager. Taking all of the information that we covered, I've come up with this bullet point. Increased year-over-year membership growth by 10% by conducting a SWOT analysis to catapult an underperforming sales team into the highest performing region for 4 consecutive years. Now, this bullet point is hitting on all of those major points: accomplishments, how it's measured, and how they did it. So now that you have this bullet point, you understand how this framework works. Now you can use this for more bullet points at other jobs. I hope this C.A.R method helped you to realize that creating a bullet point doesn't have to be overwhelming. But if you still have questions on what makes a standout resume, just let me know in the comments below, and you can check out this video.